Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide the footer section for a page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first you need to log in to your website. After that, go to your account dashboard. Click on this website button below your desired website. Go to Pages. Click on the page you want to disable the footer section for. Let's disable it for this contact page. Click on this little gear icon next to your desired page and go to navigation. Next to show footer, disable this option and save your work. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. To preview your changes, click on this little arrow. And as you can see, the contact page does not have a footer section now. And this is how to hide a footer section in a page in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.